Happy New Year, guys. It is 6 a.m. It is January 12th. And there's a storm coming here in Kentucky. And storms are already popcorn enough here in Kentucky. So a January storm I'm gonna try and make the most of. We're heading up to Georgetown, hoping to get a glancing blow with the drone. And then as it gets closer, we'll go south, hopefully get some on the ground driving lightning. We'll see what happens though. If we get one bolt, it'll be a good day, but I'm a little extra optimistic. Let's see what Thor can bring us. Holy! right now we're looking at being, our nearest lightning strike is 15 miles away. However, that's a very lonely lightning strike, so the nearest conglomeration of lightning strikes is about 24 miles away. That's pushing the complete limit of the drone visual capabilities. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, and if I start seeing flashes, then I'll go up, but it's so windy up there right now. With how much the drone's having to auto-correct itself, it would run out of battery before the storm even flourished. I've already downed one battery, so I wanna be conservative with my last 2 batteries. Got a beautiful sunrise, probably the earliest I've ever been up for a chase. That storm had hail. I'm sure you guys heard it in the audio, but that was, I thought it was just really large rain droplets, but I looked to the side and saw little pieces of ice on my this thing. Saw little pieces of ice on my car door window. She's starting to get dark out there, but I'm not seeing anything. Let me look at the radar again. It's a very, very lovely looking front. It's kind of turning into a gust front, which I don't like because of the wind, obviously. Although that might build for more lightning. Still looking at 20 miles away. I'm hearing it. I think I hear it, so I'm gonna have to send her back up.